All right, class, get out your notebook. Before we open to a page, I'm going to use one of our words in a sentence. I want you to tell me if it is a noun or a verb. What's a noun? Good, a person, place, or thing, and a verb is an action. All right, the word is pitch. I will pitch the ball as fast as I can. Pitch. All right, is that a person, place, or thing, or an action? 3, 2, 1. All right, I hope you said verb, because remember, if it's something you say I and then the word, or I can something, that means it's a verb. So pitch is something you can do, it's an action, it's a verb. All right, let's go to page 16 where we have our verbs. All right, class, in the word pitch, which ch do we use? Good, ch, 3-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. All right, go ahead and write pitch. Say it while you write, say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what did you write to spell pitch? Good. And good. Ch, 3-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, or a. So remember our default ch, if we just have the ch sound and I don't tell you what to use, we would use ch, sh. All right, so that's what we usually use. I want us to remember that. I'll always tell you if we're going to use our ch, 3-letter ch instead. All right, to make the word pitch into pitcher, I add something to the end of the base word. What do I call something that I add to the end of my base word? All right, if you said suffix, nice job. So to make pitcher, we add a suffix. Which suffix? Good, earlier of her, to our base word, pitch. Let's go to our prefixes and suffixes page. That is 33. So pause the video until you get there. All right, so we're halfway down our page because the top half is prefixes. Our bottom half we have suffixes. So suffixes are added to the end of a base word and generally change the part of speech or usage. All right, so our suffix, our first suffix that we're going to put in is the of her. Go ahead and write that in. The of her. All right, this one says meaning. Like, what does it mean? Well, the of her changes our verb into a noun. Remember, we talked about that with hunt, hunter, teach, teacher, all kinds of other things. So for meaning, I'm going to write verb and then a little arrow and noun. It makes our verb into a noun. All right, and for examples, let's put pitcher. So the first syllable is what? Good, pitch. And what's the second syllable? Good, which the of her. Great, go ahead and write that where it says examples, pitcher, and mark it. All right, class, what did you write for pitcher? What's the first syllable? Good, pitch. And the second syllable? Good, which the of her. All right, our next word is base. Class, in the word base, how do we make our a, say a? Good, silent final E, job 1. That means we're going all the way to the back of our notebook, page 76, 77. Pause the video till you get there. All right, our spelling patterns for the sound A. So where are we going to write base? Good, our first column is a, saying A because there's a silent final E, job 1. Go ahead and write base. See the sounds, will you write them? All right, class, what did you write to spell base? Good. A, good, and good, silent final E, job 1. Then we will go back and mark it. All right, nice job, class. All right, next we'll go to page 82 and 83. So pause the video till you get there. All right, what do we have on 82 and 83? Good, these are our O's, all the different ways we can make the O sound in English. All right, in the word, let's see, first, how do we say score to spell it? Good, we say scour, scour. All right. Which O do we use in scour? Good, A-O-U, and how do we make it say its name? Good, silent final E, job 1. So your first free line in that column, go ahead and write scour, say the sounds while you write it, and then mark it. All right, class, what did you write for score or scour? Good. O-R, silent final E, job 1. Then go ahead and mark it. Oh, and what gets our thinking cap? Good, it goes over both those phonograms. All right, but we had another word that had an O sound in it. We had the word coach. Class, which O did we use in coach? Good, we used O, the O of boat. Find it, put your finger on it. Where is it? Good, it's right here. Go ahead and write coach. See the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what did you write to spell coach? Good. Which O? Good, O, the O of boat. And good, ch. All right, when we're practicing, so when we learn our words at first, we always mark them together. After we've seen the markings and talked about them, when you practice it, I want you to do the markings on your own. That helps us get ready for our quiz, because remember on the quiz, you have to do all the markings on your own. All right, we'll call that good for this video. See you in the next one.